Hey guys! Today I'm doing a recipe on this channel and it is spinach stuffed chicken parmesan and it looks so yummy. I found it on Pinterest and I wanted to start a new series on this channel called Pin It, Like It, or Leave It, where I take pins from Pinterest or DIYs or recipes and I kind of test it out for the first time and you guys are along with me and I say if it's good enough to pin it or it's okay and you like it or you just leave it. But I will make a video totally explaining that. But yeah. So I'm home from college for spring break and I love to cook, so I decided to start it, and why not start with a recipe? And again, it looks so good. So yeah, I can't wait to eat it. it. My whole family loved it, and my dad even asked for the recipe. So I will probably most likely be making this again sometime in the future, and I say it's definitely a pin. So go ahead and pin it. I'll link my Pinterest down below, and I will also link the pin and the whole website Pinterest, just in case you guys aren't a member. And yeah, so make sure to leave a comment or a suggestion on what you guys want to see next on this channel, or what other pin you want me to review, and anything makeup or fun things like that. You just let me know in the down bar below. That rhymed. Okay. Well, I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Yeah.